Alrighty, so today we are going to take a look at roasted barley tea. I recently ran across this tea for the first time and took quite a liking to it. While not common in the West, this beverage has been widely enjoyed across Asia for hundreds of years. As the name suggests, roasted barley tea is made from the whole roasted pods of the barley plant. This process is strikingly similar to that of coffee roasting. The whole barley pod is passed through a roaster that both helps to break down the pod as well as alter the flavor of the finished product. This roasting process creates a deliciously smooth flavor when the pods are steeped. Much like cardamom or Chinese star anise, the pods do take longer to steep than a leafy tea. The key to getting a perfect cup of barley tea is steeping for about 7 to 10 minutes, compared with the 2 to 5 minutes for most other teas. It is a little longer wait, but you won't be disappointed with the warm, freshly baked bread-esque aroma. Another method used while making this tea is to steep the pods on the stove in a pot of boiling water. This is a bit quicker and results in a stronger brew, as the increased heat softens up the pods faster, but the tea will need to cool a bit before it is served. One of the more noteworthy things about this tea is that it has no caffeine whatsoever. This makes it wonderful for all times of the day and night. The steeped tea also has a good amount of antioxidants, although on the whole, this tea has pretty minimal health effects. The flavor of this tea is light and incredibly smooth. The first thing you'll notice when sipping is the aforementioned freshly baked bread flavor on the tip of the tongue. This is followed by an incredibly smooth aftertaste that leaves you ready for another sip. As someone who drinks a lot of tea, I find myself continually returning to this exquisite and little-known variety. I hope now that I have let you in on the secret, you will give it a try as well. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blogs.